Hey Glam fam, what's up? So today we are going to be a review of the Sultry palette. I know that I'm late jumping on the bandwagon, but I wanted to get this up for you guys because this has a story behind it. I was not originally going to purchase this palette, and I didn't even purchase it because my mother did. Thanks, Mom. Shout out to you. But we were in Sephora, and I saw it. I walked by it a couple times, and I was like, And I seen a lot of reviews on YouTube that I wasn't impressed with, so I was like, I'm not getting that. I was there for the new nude palette, but they didn't have it at that Sephora. Long story short, my mom made me swatch it, and as soon as I swatched it, I fell madly in love. So we're going to be reviewing this bad boy today. You know I give you guys the 100% honest truth. We're going to get right into this, and how beautiful is this? Look at the packaging, okay? Hey, let's put the intro in right now. Insert intro. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
Okay, so we are going to do a get ready with me. It's going to be kind of chit-chatty. I will leave a timestamp just in case you just want to see swatches. I'll insert a timestamp right here. And inside of the packaging as well. How beautiful does that look? I much prefer this, even though there's like a glittery... It's not too bad. The glitter's not going everywhere like people are trying to say. But I much prefer this kind of packaging over this kind of packaging. All right, enough about the packaging. Let's open this sucker up. As you can see, I have not touched it. It still has the plastic inside. Here, it comes with the standard Anastasia brush. We can use that, or maybe I'll use my own brushes. I think they're fun. But, you know, it's got the blender side on one side, the crease side on the other side. Really fast. Come here. Come here. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Become part of the Glam fam. All right. The one thing I do love about Anastasia palettes is they have the names right there. It makes it so much easier for vloggers or YouTubers. So the first color is Fresh. It looks like a matte base powder. You could also use it as a brow bone. Swatching very nicely. The next color is Pearl. Let me get up close. It's this one right here. This is a sparkly, definitely going to be beautiful, a sparkly champagne color for like a inner corner highlight, lid, or brow bone. Steampunk. This one I really love, and I might just use this as a highlighter today. It's a nice shimmery gold. Swatching lovely. See what I mean by the swatches? It's rose quartz. We're going to swatch that right under there. I mean, that's stunning. It almost reminds me of the Stila glitter, you know, the... whatchamacallit. The next one is Ember. We're going to swatch that right here. That's more of a bronzy gold, but very beautiful. Bloom. This is like a nice coral pinkish shade. Matte. It's gorgeous. The next shade is more of like a light, cool tone peachy birch is the name of it. This is going to be a great transition color. Wow, that's much better than I thought it would. It doesn't look like that exactly on the pan. That's pretty dark. Okay, then Cinder is the next shimmery shade. There's 7 shimmers and 7 mattes, so that's really good. The next color is Cinder, like I said. Beautiful color right there. An olivey, cool-toned, grayish color. And that's going to be perfect for when you make mistakes. So when you make mistakes and you're blending out your transition, you can just go over if you feel like the look is too harsh and just blend it out. I'll show you guys later. The next one is Teak. It's a nice gold color, like a bronzy gold, with more of a copper reflex. So it's not the same as the other ones. Dystopian. It's a very deep brown. This is what you're going to use for your crease. For your crease shades. Let me do that again. See, that's a very nice cool tone brown. I love that. I feel like every palette should have a cool tone brown. Cyborg, it's a very platinum silver. It's absolutely stunning. Can you see that? I know we have a lot of silvers in our collection, but do you see that? Can we just take a second to appreciate that? That's beautiful. They're called Slate. Again, another color that can help you when you make a mistake, or you can use it as a transition, or you can use it... There's no rules in makeup. You can use it however you like. Look at that color. And look at how that swatches. And then last and not least, every good palette deserves a black. This black is usually featured in all of the Anastasia palettes. It's the color Noir. The thing is that when I swatched this one, it was a much more creamier than any of the other Noirs I have in my other palettes. I mean, that's black. That's pretty black. And I'll just buff that in with my dampened beauty blender. Just a side note, my mom got me this little beauty blender holder. Isn't it super cute? And you can just leave it on your makeup vanity and it holds your beauty blender. That's all. Just want to send the appreciation shout out to my wonderful mother who spoils me. Now that that's all tapped in, I'm just going to take my fingers just to make sure. Fingers, best tools. Okay. Faced ethereal setting, Born This Way ethereal setting powder and my dampened flat beauty blender. So who's excited for the James Charles palette? Because I know I am. November 15th, baby. That is going to be the palette. Is it only me or is it everybody that you always say, this is going to be my last palette, I promise. It has everything that I need. And then boom, 2 weeks later, another palette drops. And you're like, I got to get that. And I got to get that. And then it's palette palooza. Okay, I'm going to just bake under my eyes. Then you guys know I always bake right here. Because when I do my contour, it'll give it more definition. So what's y'all's favorite palette that came out so far? Let's talk. What are you guys doing for the holidays? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are doing. I'm going to be with my kids and my husband, that's for sure. And my 2 beautiful dogs. I prime with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. If I can squeeze even a little tiny bit out. In the arms of an angel. I think we have to put this one to rest. It's done. So, switching up the plans. I need a new one. By the way, Christmas idea. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance instead because I have a little bit of that left. I'm just going to prime my eye. The first color for me that I'm going to go into is this color Birch right here with no hesitation. I have never played with this palette before. Taking it on the Anastasia brush. And we are just going to lay it right over the crease. The only thing that I might say about this brush is it's not long enough. All right, this brush is getting on my nerves. I'm going to go in with the twig color right here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah, oh, yeah!
I'm going to go back in with that Anastasia brush, and in the crease I'm going to go with Dystopian, that dark brown. Favorite crease brush, Morphe M433. I'm just going to blend that out. M433 again, tapping into Dystopian again. Just to deepen out that outer V. Bringing it into the crease. Now I am going to cut my crease today. I'm with my mini Tarte Shape Tape to do this. We're going to use a brush like this. Mario Badescu setting spray. Steampunk. Into Dystopia, which was that deep brown. And we're just going to go around like that. I'm going to create the wing. Okay, I'm going to do that on the other side and I'll be right back. I'm going to go back into the Sultry palette and we're going to tap into that Steampunk again. Dystopian. And kind of just put it where our wing is. It's kind of like coloring in the lines. I'm going to use a little black just to deepen that outer edge up. Beautiful. Back with my Morphe M200 blend. Always love doing my brow bone inner corner highlight with the Morphe E36. I will be spraying Cinder right there in the corner. Just gonna take it right there. That's gonna give us the pop that we need. Stunning. I'm gonna remove this bake. Going into the Morphe, to contour, I'm going into the Morphe M427. I'm going right back in that Sultry palette. Pick up the color Twig. And just a little teeny tap of that deep brown. And I'm gonna start right here. Shade and Light Who? Shade and Light Who? You can use your eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go into Bloom. And I'm gonna lay it right above where I laid that contour. Sometimes your eyeshadow blushes are prettier than your real blush. Favorite highlighting brush is the Morphe M501 color Pearl. Right there. Ooh, ooh. And then I'm gonna put a little bit over here. A little bit over here. But I know you can see it right there. I know you can see it. Okay, we're gonna contour the nose. For that, I always use my same two brushes. It's my same go-to thing. e.l.f. flat brush for $1. e.l.f. I'm gonna go into Steam Pike. Just right in that middle there. Do you see the snatchness there that we got going on there? Hello. A clean E36 brush. And we are gonna go into, of course, you know, we're gonna go into Dystoria. That's gonna make the eyes pop. I'm bringing it right up to that line. And then we are gonna go into the black. Right into that very middle. Just to make the eye pop. Public service announcement, this brush is everything you need. I use this brush for my highlight on my nose, my brow bone, inner corner, and for my lash line. It buffs so perfect. Little tiny dome shape. It's about the size of my, smaller than my pinky nail. You need this brush. From palette, I am gonna go in the Jaclyn Hill palette because there's not a cranberry color in the Sultry palette. And I am gonna buff some cranberry on that lower lash line. That's really gonna do it. I'm gonna put Jax on my Morphe E36 first. For lips, I decided I wanted to go in with an oldie but goodie. These are the ColourPop Lippy Sticks. This is the shade called Dukes. And the way the applicator is made, it goes on so easy. Not patchy, not streaky, just amazing. Real quick, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born Better Than Sex. I would recommend falsies with this look, especially since this is so glam. Just remember, guys, makeup is about making your own rules. You know, lipstick can go on your eyes if it's safe. Highlighter from an eyeshadow palette. I mean, this highlighter's stunning. Whoops, don't want to blind you guys. Just disclaimer, make sure you check that the product is safe for your eyes. I know that ColourPop and Jeffree Star is. Ooh. Whoa, did you guys see that? Peekaboo. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Palette, I think it's beautiful. I think the colors are gorgeous. And yeah, I definitely approve. I love it. Thank you so much, Mom, for getting it for me. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Peace.